Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is shortest increasing path. So what you have given a xy axis. Inside the xy axis you have to go to the coordinates xy. You are starting from the 0 0 coordinates, okay? And one thing you have to remember, not one thing, more than one thing, like first there are two steps you can take. First x then y, first x then y, like that, okay? Second thing is that the next step should also always be greater than the previous step, okay? And yeah, that's are the basics. So let me write the code, like for example ll x comma y, sin x comma y, if what I can say, x is less than y, okay, see out to, okay, else if x x is greater than y, no, there should be something like y is x is less than x is greater than y plus 2, y plus 1, see out minus 1, okay? Okay, else if there could be what condition? Okay, this no, yeah, there is a issue we have to remember. If x is equal to y is equal to 1, then it should be minus 1. If x is greater than y plus 1, then it should be what, 3. Come on, else see out minus 1, okay, that's sufficient. Let's compile the code. Let's execute it. Let's enter a test case like 1 and 2. Answer is 2. 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. It's correct. Although I mean, yeah, it's totally correct. You can run whole test cases. It will work. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.